I have a problem with my Bosch oven. The control panel display does not make any sense and hearing only works when I keep one of the buttons of the control panel pressed.
Can you guesstimate how old your Bosch is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I cannot find a model number. Think the oven is at least 5 years old. I can send a picture.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. Can you post the model number, please?
His Daniel, thanks for looking into this. There is no model number on the front of the oven. I send you a picture of the front and a picture of a label I found on the top of the machine.
Thanks for that. If you press and hold the two arrow buttons and turn the dial at the same time, can you set the time then, and does it work? If not, then the timer will be the fault here. Now for this you need to either replace the timer, or if you want you can bypass it. If this is something you want to do, then you need to remove the oven and take the top off and take a picture of the back of the timer with the wiring and post it on here, and I can advise from there.
Hi Daniel, it worked for a short time, that the oven worked, but then it stopped again. How can I operate the timer? Works again, after I push the button with the hand, but I have no idea for how long. Could you refer me to an online manual how to operate the timer? I recently bought this house with the oven in it and there is no manual.
I'm afraid Bosch no longer have this manual online as it's an older model. But if you give them a bell, they may be able to send you one. As to working the timer, when you press the hand, this will put in manual mode. Then press the two arrow buttons and turn the dial to set the correct time, and that should work okay from there.
Okay Daniel, when I turn for example to 0.01, what does it mean? I just see that it switches to 0.02. No, it is 0.04. Would the timer not count down? I mean now it is 0.04.
Are you holding the two arrow buttons together? If so, keep them both held in and just keep turning the end dial on the timer till it shows the correct time, and then it will lock the time in.
Okay, get this, I set the right time now. How to switch on the timer for say 30 minutes?
I think for that you press the bell button and then turn the dial to 30 minutes, and that will do the countdown from memory.
Works, but the oven does not stop automatically. What do the two individual arrow buttons do?
These set the programming time. So press the first arrow and set the start time you want. Then press the second arrow button to select the end time, and then it will do the auto timing cooking for that set time.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. If you could remember to click the star ratings at the top of the page, that would be great. Many thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.